Hello, this is Jack Mill with the House Whisperer Show. I got a great question the other day via my email and said, Jack, I want to reconfigure my laundry room, but that requires me moving my gas water heater out to the garage. The local code official said that I now have to raise the water heater at least 18 inches off the floor of the garage. Can you please explain why? Of course, I'm happy to. Keep in mind that home inspectors are not code inspectors, but we know a lot of the codes. And one of the reasons that they're requesting the raising of the water heater is because when you deal with gas, of course, it's a flammable material. When my house was built in 1968, I have a smooth transition between my garage and the laundry room. In today's newer construction, there has to be at least a minimum of 4 inches between the slab and the entry to your mud space. Again, the reason why is gas fumes. Now, gas fumes are created by lawn equipment, gas cans, anything where a vehicle can give off a gas odor. If the water heater is set on grade, what can happen is those gas fumes will travel along the slab and could ignite the water heater, causing an explosion, and of course that affects your structural capabilities of your home as well as your safety. So 18 inches is the rule. Now, if you're an electric water heater, well, then we don't really have to worry about it. But at the same time, although I'm going to go off tangent a little bit, what happens if we have an oil tank in our garage? And I've seen that too. Well, in that case, you have to install something called bollards. Bollards are those things that you see as you approach your drive-in bank. They're concrete-filled pilings, literally, because if by chance you don't put the car in park and you drive into that oil tank, it's an environmental hazard. So garages, again, are usually meant for vehicle storage and personal storage. But if you're going to start to bring your mechanicals out into this space, well then, at that time, you have to do some protecting of your home as well as yourselves. Now, one more tangent, and I get this question a lot. I want to put heat in my garage. Well, in that case, there's 2 ways to go. You can do electric baseboard heat along the perimeter, but again, it has to be raised off the slab, or you can do something that we lovingly call a Modine, which is a brand name, but it's a small gas space heater that would be mounted usually in the corner of the garage. This way, if you're a garage tech like me, you want to go out and you want to work on your vehicles, this gives you a source of heat, but safely. So if you like the content, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.